at this fucking thing. Oh, Jesus Christ.
What was that?
A fucking owl or eagle or something. 135, remember that.
Oh my God.
Same damn thing that happened.
To Ray.
Yeah. Except for it hit higher over there.
Go this way. We have our thing out?
Yeah, that's all.
Didn't it happen to Ray?
No, it happened to me. He came from the other way and hit the windshield. That was another one of those hawks or something.
That's just weird. I mean, that went low enough that it would have hit a car.